Okay, folks, another exciting day of creation here. I got this little seashell just for a little change of pace, and we're just going to refer to this as we try to paint this here. Let me put a little bit of a sponge here, just put this in place. Let's give ourselves, as usual, a time limit. How about it, folks? About 9 minutes is what we got. Okay, so as Vincent Van Gogh watches on, let's put it right here where we can see it. Yeah, there you go. That's a nice setup. Hashtag seashell is what I'm envisioning for us today. Little Jackson Pollock action right here as we start this fun process. There you go. Hope you guys having a good Friday. And let's see. This should be a good place to start. There you go, like this. Very easy. Look at that. And look at that, like that too. Yep. Nothing to it really. See? Yep. Easy does it, right? Yeah, really fun. Exciting. And let's see. Let's turn this canvas around for us. There you go. Already we got some interesting composition here. The way the colors, white and blue and white play together. Yeah, I like that. What do you think, guys? Forgot which one's the top and which one's the bottom, but it doesn't matter. It's this backdrop is a little abstract for us, of course. There you go. And that's what it'll be. Let's see, maybe a little bit of a, what do you think? Orange? Yeah, a little orange for us. Perhaps a little orange action. There you go, a little orange there. There you go. All right. And just leave it at that, okay. There you go, like this. Yep, you can always revisit this later on, depending on our need. But I think I want a little bit more white on this one, yeah, a little bit more white. Because the center piece, we always want to keep things as light as possible. That's right. There you go, as light as possible. There you go, a little emitting of energy here. The force field, that's what I'm trying to convey here. There you go, like that. As white as possible. Yep, a little twirly action. What do you think? There you go. And that's a good place right there. There you go. And trying to keep the centerpiece where we'll be drawing the viewer's attention to as light as possible. Here you go. And I think it's pretty good right here, like that. What do you think? What are you guys thinking? Okay, as we approach the 6-minute mark, here we are. So we have the seashell right here. So we just kind of follow that as a reference. Those of you who doesn't need a seashell, picture or this object, yeah, you can take this like that. Let's see, is the camera angle okay? All right, let's see. Let's change that a little bit right here for us. Right here. What do you guys think? Okay, sorry about that. Okay, here we are. I'm just thinking. Okay, just to kind of, as I visualize. Let's see, easy like this right here. Yeah, and then like that actually. And yeah, it's just the organic shape. As you can see, nothing in nature is a straight line. Yeah, and that kind of thought process is the same as we look at this wonderful object here before us. Let's see, just take your time. If you're just kind of first time doing this, like I am, I'll be a little bit, just kind of see how that goes. Kind of approach is what I'm taking. Yep. And you can accentuate it depending on how you want to continue to approach continue this process of creation here. Let's see. Yeah, there you go. A little bit like that. Yeah, there you go. There you go. And maybe like this. Seashell. Yeah. They are everywhere, aren't they? Yeah, some beautiful ones out there. Let's see, and then what I want to do is, yeah, let's add some gold here. Little gold piece right here. There you go. That straight line right here, like this. Doesn't have to be exact duplicate in terms of, you know, proportions and what have you, but just to kind of give you an idea. And how easy was that? Yeah, simple, right? Just put this aside for now, and then let's see. Let us see if we want to combine. Some other colors, maybe. Yeah, I want to do that. Oh, I got this red. Yeah, that's what I was thinking about. Let's combine some red here. If it's cooperating, oh, there you go. There you go, cooperating. It is. There you go. Whoa, easy does it. Yeah, nice contrast of colors here, and I just want to use some yellow to suggest flow of energy. You know, just flow of. What do you think? Just flowing of energy, because everything in life has an energy force field that's just kind of emanating. You can't really see it with our naked eyes, I believe, but you know, it's always there. There you go, energy force field. What do you guys think? Yeah, I kind of like that. Lots of colors today. That's what I'm feeling. There you go. And that's basically is what I'm trying to accomplish. You can always come back later on if we feel like some additional outlines are needed, but let's just use our toothpick magic as we approach the 2-minute and 20-second mark here. And let's see, just kind of letting our hands move and see where this takes us. Yeah, and already I can see that because I've kind of added the yellow mark, I kind of deleted the outline, that black outline of a seashell, so you can't really tell. There's one mistake here I'm seeing right now, but that's okay. We can remedy that right later on. For now, however, let's just continue with our toothpick. Here you go. Ooh, look at that, just kind of emission, just the energy, just flowing from the seashell right here. Yeah, everything in life, like I said, you know, has a force field, this energy, just kind of emitting all around us, right? We just have to pay attention to it. There you go. Life is an energy. Right, so as we analyze this, let me see. Yeah, there you go. Okay, so let's come back with our, let's leave this toothpick over here, point like that. And let's come back with our black. Yeah, there you go. Yeah, I should have done this like this. There you go. And referring back to the seashell that's right in front of me, let's do this again, just to kind of help us. There you go. Yep, just basic outline, nothing fancy. There you go. Oops, nothing fancy here. Just following this outline right here, seashell outline right here. There you go. As we approach the 25-second mark right here. There you go. And you can just kind of go from there, okay? There you go. Yeah, seashell. There you go. For us, as we approach the 8, 6, 4, 3, 2, 1. So that's our seashell for you. Oh, let's stop this. Kind of annoying. But here we are. We can leave this piece as it is if you like. But for those of you, as I mentioned, a little bit more advanced minded, stick around and let me see what I can do with some additional scraping action with this toothpick and kind of feature that, and we can go from there. Okay, so I spent an extra 5 to 7 minutes here adding some little highlights in terms of orange and maybe a little more black and a little bit more scraping action with this toothpick. It's pretty amazing what you can do with a simple tool like this, but here we are. I hope you guys like this piece as much as I enjoyed painting them, and I hope to see you guys again soon for another exciting day of creation. Bye for now.